What's good, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it, unboxing a pair of the brand new AirPods 2. Guys, I am so hyped. These things are gonna be amazing to try out, and I'm just super excited. So let's get right into this video. So these are actually the AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case. And guys, there seems to be a problem. No matter how much I stick my fingernail in there, these are not opening. Alright, take two. Alright guys, we got a butter knife here now. Just gonna slide that into there. Wow. Oh my gosh, wow, that plastic. I mean, did you see what it takes to cut that plastic?
Oh my gosh. Alright
guys, we're gonna start peeling this off. I kind of wish it was like the Apple Watch Series 4 when you unboxed it. That was literally amazing. I loved unboxing that. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna open it up. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. The brand new AirPods 2. Alright guys, so now we're gonna take it off. Boom! Alright, we have here the design by Apple in California paperwork, as you guys can see. This is just the standard stuff. Alright guys, are you guys ready to see the brand new AirPods 2 with wireless charging case? Boom! Check that out, guys. Super excited. Got the brand new AirPods 2 right here. I haven't seen them yet. And wow. These are looking super awesome. The thing is it's super exciting for me because I've actually never owned a pair of AirPods before, so it's going to be super cool. Here we go. We got the charging cable in case you don't want to do it wirelessly. Now we're going to take off the plastic. Oh yeah, that sounds fresh. How is this? Oh, it's like a 3-point system. Boom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. There we go. The brand new AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case. I mean, geez, these are so small. I've never actually seen a pair of AirPods before, like in person, so this is super cool. All right, so now you open up the case. And there are those bad boys. Look at that. So now for the moment of truth, trying out the new AirPods 2. There is not a huge difference between these and the AirPods 1, but still, this is super cool for me. Oh my gosh. Just like a glove. Jeez. Guys, so actually I've done a couple videos reviewing wireless devices or wireless earbuds, and just doesn't seem like a lot of wireless earbuds fit very nicely in your ears. And I've always heard that AirPods are super awesome. They're just like the headphones, which I love. Never used anything else because these are like #1. So having them in a wireless form is like really awesome. I mean, they feel amazing. They feel just like another pair of earbuds. Honestly though, I don't see how these could really come out of your ear. I mean, you literally have to go like, you have to pull it out like physically. So, I mean, I've never understood that, but you actually can buy attachments that attach more to ear if you're not comfortable with, this. Alright guys, so once you put on a pair of AirPods and you try the features out, you all of a sudden literally realize why you love AirPods so much. And it's just because the different little features, like now that when you take them away, literally the music will automatically stop. That is literally probably the best feature of the new AirPods. So far, I'm loving everything about the new AirPods. And even though the design is not really that much different, I love having this brand new wireless charging case. I feel like that's a huge bonus just right there as it is, because having that a 24-hour battery life in this is a big step up for Apple. I know that the AirPods of 2020 will be totally changed and like redesigned. Those are gonna be super cool to see. So it's interesting to see what Apple redesigns in an AirPod, like how they can, because this design, guys, it's so classic. It's so amazing. I love it so much. But some of the new features I've been testing out recently, they're just super awesome. So yeah, make sure you guys drop a sub on the channel, drop a like for this video, and comment if any of you guys got the brand new AirPods 2, and if you guys want to see a updated video, me trying out the different features, and show you guys how to connect them and how they work. So yeah, let me know that in the comments. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.